Good morning, good afternoon, depends on the time you're watching this video. This is just a lecture on how to use your POS, your Money Points POS machine. First of all, when you get your Money Points POS machine, you have to turn it on with these buttons that are here. This is the volume button, this is the power off and power on button. So as I press it now, can you see? So you wait till the POS is on automatically by itself. It's either you put a SIM in it or you use your Wi-Fi, which is either MTN, Airtel or whatsoever. This is the battery space. And sometimes whenever they give you this machine, this battery will not be here. Like the plug will not be here. So you are the one to insert it yourself to activate the battery. So once that is done, you can, then the machine is on. Assuming there is a SIM in this machine, you don't need Wi-Fi, but right now there is no SIM in it, so I'm using a Wi-Fi. So which is I have to connect an hotspot to this machine, which is already connected. As you can see up there, like there is a signal of Wi-Fi connection already. So you go into your Money Point app that is there, then it loads, it automatically loads by itself. So here is it. You have your account number that you can use to accept money directly into this machine. So, and when you collect your period at first, it brings purchase and withdrawal. So you click on withdrawal because some banks network are not really good for purchasing, so you go for withdrawal alone. So, and whenever you have a complaint on a card, maybe when you enter a withdrawal button here, so you press the amount the customer wants to withdraw. So you, after pressing the amount, which is like, let me say 4,000 naira, then you'll be like done. 4,000 done. So you say next. When you enter next, it's going to put in the card. So when it brings put in FMA card in, when you wait for the card to enter like this, then I would put in a card, please. FMA card is so you go for a card like this, then you put in your card into the machine. Then it's going to bring option of default, savings, current or credit. So you ask the customer, is it savings, is it current? But if the customer is not someone that knows, assuming a younger age, like a child, you can tell them, you can go for default, because default actually choose either savings or current. But in this kind of condition, there are some cards that doesn't really go for savings or current. Okay, so you just tap, if it's savings or current, then you give the customer to enter the PIN. So there is one thing I would like to tell you on this machine in particular. Make sure you put on the volume button, because whenever a customer enter pins into the machine, it sounds 4 times, which is 4 pin. So after that, make sure you collect your machine from any customer immediately and press in the enter button yourself. There are different advantages for that.